Well, lifetime protection is the best thing that BG offers. It's a great customer retention tool. It ties the customer in with the dealership.
If you do the maintenance on the car, we'll stand behind it. And that's one thing that BG has always told us. If you use our product, we'll stand behind it with a lifetime protection guarantee.
Lifetime protection that BG offers is huge for us. I mean, gas prices are higher, people are driving their vehicles longer, and it's just a great thing that we can sell people on the drive that they need these services. They need BG products to help them get that additional fuel mileage, to help their vehicles last longer, and it just helps us take care of them better.
It puts BG and Victory Automotive Group together as partners. It helps us both drive our customer retention. Jeff Capo, the owner of Victory Automotive Group, is very concerned about customers and making sure that they are taken care of.